Disasters are increasing all over the world with more every day. How can we prepare, survive, and rebuild? The solution is the Storm app for people in business.
Our patent-pending app, a tool to guide to getting you through all storms you may have. Let's look at the important categories it holds your information when you need it right in your hand. Local weather, always connected to your phone's GPS all the time. My preparations. Here you can plan and prepare things you will need to have and take if needed to evacuate. Other important categories are storm alert and evacuation routes. How to quickly contact via phone or online link of all of your utility companies. Next important category is My Insurance. One of the most likely categories is the GPS My Pets and Family. We are working with a global partner, so in any emergency, this feature will find them. One of the most important features, exclusive to your app, is the ability to track live where the fires are and moving to. This way, you will know when you have to leave, possibly saving you and your family. Now, the interacting with the users, friends, and family, and then the share page option icon under the icon picture. This feature is so you can share specific status reports and inform when needed. We know firsthand that this app will prepare people and save lives so they can rebuild. I did.